Remedies presents. Don't be surprised. A teaspoon of this daily on empty stomach will help you lose weight. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and in today's video I will discuss with you some reasons that make ghee the ideal ingredient for weight. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Most health conscious people believe that the key to weight loss is a fat-free diet and lots of exercise. However, not all fats are bad for your health, and some may in fact be good for your overall well-being. Ghee is considered to be a healthy fat. Is ghee fattening? Experts are of the view that ghee actually helps to lose weight. Research suggests that the butyric acid and medium-chain triglycerides in ghee help in mobilizing stubborn body fat and getting rid of it. Digestion is the key to losing weight. While most vegetable or cooking oils are likely to slow down your body's digestive system, fats in ghee stimulate it and make it better. So adding a dash of ghee in your food may not be that bad. It contains omega-6 fatty acid called conjugated linolenic acid, CLA, that is known to be helpful in modifying the body's composition and reduce body fat levels, further helping you lose weight. Ghee consists of essential amino acids that help the fat cells to shrink in size. Apart from all of this, it comes packed with a range of benefits ranging from preventing inflammation, which can further help you lose weight. How do you use ghee for weight loss? You can have a teaspoon of ghee on an empty stomach early in the morning, or cook a meal for the day in ghee. Given its high smoke point, you can use it for any kind of cooking, from sauteing to deep frying, or even have it raw. You can have warm milk mixed with a teaspoonful of ghee to manage constipation. Constipation can lead to bloating and weight gain. Ghee mixed with milk nourishes the bones, muscles, and the nervous system. If you don't wish to go overboard with it, consume 2 to 3 teaspoons, 10 to 15 ml of cow's ghee daily for optimum benefits. Having too much of ghee can turn it into unwanted fats and is bad for your health. So guys, hope you found this video useful. For my Western viewers, I would like to inform that ghee is clarified butter. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.